So folks, early this morning, as you saw, I got literally blown off the water. So fishing was not good, but there's always a plan B. Now, we didn't get to do a catch and cook today, but I got the next best thing. I got a Shrimp Scampi recipe, which I picked up from Chef Corso. He has a website, Outdoor Eats, fantastic websites. He goes hiking, camping all over, and it's all about nutritional, lightweight, and ergonometric, logistical, easy food for people who enjoy adventures. This recipe calls for dried shrimp. A little hard to find in your grocery store, but definitely available online. And a great, unique ingredient because it's lightweight, packed with protein, packed with flavor, and it's preserves very, very well. So you can put it in the bottom of your pack for a week and it's still good to eat. So good stuff. Pasta, snap in two. Again, that would be easily portable in a little Ziploc bag.
The wind is howling, echoing through the halls. I say your name, trying to reach you through the wall.
Smells good. All right, this is getting close. We boiled it down, so I left a little bit of juice in there. Then I'm going to add a few more ingredients. Olive oil. Alright, this shrimp scampi is getting close to being done. Smells absolutely wonderful. I wish you could smell that, especially in the setting with those shrimp boats here on Harkers Island, North Carolina. Got my bowl. That is looking fantastic. Beautiful. Well, I didn't get to do a catch and cook today, but next best thing is some shrimp scampi right by these shrimp boats over here. And I tell you, this looks fantastic. That is incredible flavor. Let me try one of these dried shrimp. Remarkably good. A little chewy, you would expect. The flavors there. And for the nutrition, the lightweight, the portability, what a great option for any adventure person, backpacking, hiking, sailing, kayaking. And I tell you, after the morning I had, this feels great. So not only is it nutritious and lightweight and portable, but a good hot meal with great flavor in it is just good for the soul. Wonderful.